Second grade, we are going to be working in code.org today, so we are going to have a new level, and this is how it works. You come up here to code.org and click it, and it's going to take us to the login page. In the login page, click on the green Google button so that you log in with Google. Find your name, click your name, then you're going to have to say continue. So push continue, and you'll be taken to your page. So here is our page. I can see my progress from last time. These green ones say that I did it perfect. These ones here say that I did it, but maybe not perfectly. I could have done it shorter. This is the one I was working on, and these I didn't get to, but we're not worried about this level today. Today we're moving on to this one called debugging in the maze. So it starts you off with a video in that first puzzle. So you can watch the video if you want, and then push continue. After you get done with that, you're going to see what we've got Scrat from the movie Ice Age. And Scrat is trying to get to this acorn. And they've already given us some code to work with. The whole point about this level is that they're going to give you code and you've got to figure out what's wrong with it. So we're going to use some debugging strategies. Debugging means finding the errors and fixing them. Here, I see that Scrat moves forward 2 times. 1, 2, but he should move forward 3 times. So to solve this code, I just need to drag another block out there and push run to make it go. 1, 2, 3. Now, one of the debugging strategies that you can use is to just run the code right away when you see the puzzle. That way you can find out what the actual error is. So here's some code, and here's my puzzle. Let me just run it. Let's see. Scrat goes forward. Scrat turns right. Oh, I can see that right here, that is where my error is. So I got to fix that part. He jumped forward 1 time. He should have done it 2. Let me disconnect and drag another guy out there, and then I'll reconnect to be able to fix that problem. So you can just push the run button right away to see if you can figure out where the error is at. Now, another strategy that you can use when you're trying to debug a program like this is you might use the step button. So the step button will go one piece of code at a time. Let's see what happens here. I push step and he goes forward once. I push step again. He went past where I wanted him to turn. So this must be where my error is at. I don't want him to go forward like that. What I wanted him to do was turn left and then go forward. So it looks like I had some extra blocks. I'll throw them away. Let me step my way through this puzzle again. Go forward, turn left, go forward, and get that acorn. So using the step button is a debugging strategy. Another debugging strategy that you can use is you can break the code into parts. Here it looks like I've got to get kind of a stair step pattern to the acorn. So to do that, I'm going to take this code and I'm going to just break it apart into different parts and see if that works. Let's see, move forward, turn right. Oh, nope, that wasn't right. Let me change this by clicking it and making it a left-hand turn. Does that work? Forward, left. Yes, that's good. I'll add my next group and see if that makes a difference. Forward, left, forward, left. Nope, 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 not left. I want to click that and make that right. And I think that that should probably fix my errors here. Let's see. Forward, oops, forward, left, forward, right, forward. Breaking the code into parts can really help out. And the last piece of coding strategy that you can use when you're debugging is sometimes you just can maybe start from the very beginning. Here it gives me a bunch of code. The gray blocks here say that they're locked and they cannot be deleted. So you have to use the gray blocks in order to beat this level. But they just put all the move forward blocks right in a row and the turn blocks in a row. And that can't be right. So sometimes, you know what? I'm just going to disconnect everything and I'll just restart from the beginning. Scrat's going to go forward 2 times. So I'll start with that. And then he's got a turn here. And I think he's going to do a turn right. Now, I can also do other debugging strategies with me. I can put the code into parts like this and see if it works first. I'll push the run to see if there's any errors here. Forward, forward, right. Oh, right there, I can see that that was wrong. I should make that a left-handed turn, so I will. And I'll add my last piece of code in here so that I can hopefully get Scrat there. So you can combine different strategies together. As you work your way through the rest of the puzzles up at the top, try to use the debugging strategies. Run the code first, use the step button, break the code into parts, or just start over from the beginning. When you get all the way done, you'll have free choice time at the end. All right, I'm excited to see you next time. Good luck coding.